Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Auto RYK. Today, we're getting a closer look at a modern marvel that throws it back to a legendary era, the all-new 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. This isn't just a new car, it's a revival of a muscle car icon. So, buckle up, gearheads and everyday drivers alike, because we're about to dissect this American masterpiece. The Boss 429's design instantly hits you with that classic Mustang silhouette. The long hood, the aggressive stance, it's pure muscle car. But look closer, and you'll see some modern touches. The front fascia is imposing, with a blacked-out grille and sleek headlights. There's a functional hood scoop that hints at the beastly engine hiding underneath, and you can't miss the massive rear spoiler that screams aerodynamic efficiency. Pop open the door, and you're greeted by a beautiful fusion of retro-inspired style and modern amenities. Premium leather seats, adorned with the iconic Boss 429 badge, create a luxurious feel. But don't be fooled by the comfort. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a massive touchscreen keeps you connected and entertained on the go. The driver's cockpit is designed for precision, with all controls within easy reach and high-performance gauges that keep you informed. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Boss 429 apart, its legendary performance. Under the hood lies a powerhouse, most likely a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine. We don't have official numbers yet, but whispers suggest earth-shattering horsepower figures that will leave the competition in the dust. This isn't just about straight-line speed, though. Ford has incorporated a finely tuned suspension system that provides a perfect balance of comfort and sharp handling. You'll be able to tackle winding roads with confidence, carving up your favorite corners with precision. The Boss 429 offers a unique blend of power, heritage, and modern technology. It's a car that pays homage to its roots while firmly planting its tires in the future. Here are some key selling points. Legendary legacy. Owning a Boss 429 isn't just about driving a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. Unmatched performance. This Mustang is built for adrenaline seekers, with a powertrain that promises to be absolutely thrilling. Modern refinement. Despite its muscle car soul, the Boss 429 offers a luxurious and comfortable driving experience with all the latest tech features. Driver-focused design. This car prioritizes the driving experience, putting you in complete control and making every ride exhilarating. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is more than a car, it's a statement. It's a return to a golden age of American muscle, reimagined for the modern era. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or someone who appreciates pure driving thrills, the Boss 429 deserves a place on your wishlist. While pricing hasn't been announced yet, expect a hefty price tag that reflects its exclusivity. But hey, legends don't come cheap, right? Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more exciting car content. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the return of the Boss 429. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.